ICE Robotics has changed today's way of cleaning, providing you a tailor-made solution to differentiate yourself from the competition. We provide different cleaning solutions for your varying needs. You inform us about your situation and preferences. We consult and advise the perfect fit. Our unique block offer enables you to customize and fulfill your individual requirements, whether you want maximum performance, low costs, or a no-worries contract. We got you covered. Do you want to gain real-time insights, performance analysis, and enjoy proactive fleet and maintenance management? Get your free access to our iSynergy client portal now to boost your efficiency. Did you know if you subscribe to iSynergy, we swap your machine free of charge if it is not fully utilized? IoT sensors in your machine monitor all relevant parts to check their lifetime continuously, eliminating downtime, keeping operations up and running. Additionally, we display all service topics fully digital so you can most conveniently keep track. Let's elevate your business and make your cleaning smarter. Be part of the smart cleaning revolution and contact us now. www.iceroboemea.com/perfect fit.